to tell you, I have strips on my teeth. Alright guys, I just finished my skin prep. Recently I've been struggling with the patchiness, separation of foundation on my skin, especially my lip and like nose area, which I'm like, I did try a bunch of different products like silicone and water-based, whatever. I try a whole bunch of different products, but nothing's really changed. So recently I just really try to exfoliate without damaging my skin barrier, really gently with an enzyme exfoliator. And then one game changer was hyaluronic acid serum. Where did it go? Hey, this one I got a sample from Drunk Elephant when I purchased something from them. Oh, I purchased their glow drop, yes. But this one I really wanted to try, but it was very pricey, so I didn't have a chance. But they gave me this as a sample, so I was like, nice. But I think it's worth the money, so I'm going to invest from my next paycheck. Anyway, let's get into the eye makeup. I'm gonna apply an eye primer. I've been using different brow razor. How is it so freaking difficult to find the safe brow razor that wouldn't cut my skin? I bought recently 2 packages from different brands and they both cut here, and you cannot see it here, but I got a long cut there. It's like, what the hell? So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I want to do something crazy for today's makeup. I don't know if you know, but people used to use a Scotch tape to make that perfect wing before. So I have this Scotch tape. Just going to like make it less sticky by doing this repetitively under my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna create wing, you know, make sure the angle is similar. Today I'm going to use all the palettes that I have, so you don't need exactly the same products that I have. They're very, very old, probably expired. But anyway, first thing first, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I feel like this was their first palette. I could be wrong, correct me, but I want to use this like yellow, very, very vivid yellow, so pretty, in my crease. Yeah, this is how it looks. Artist palette. I remember I saw this at Sephora. It was so cheap too. I think it was like $30. I was like, whoa. I remember so vividly. I was there with a boyfriend at that time, and I was like, oh my god, I was so hyped. And then he was like, okay, whatever, can we get out of here? And then different palettes. So I want to use another Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is quite recent but still old. This one is Nouveau palette. I want to use this lavender color. I know they're broken. They didn't run out. They just broken. Such a shame. Such a shame. So I just recently started working as a personal color analysis consultant. It's been so fun because one, I'm not a person who could work at the office for a long time, forever. And two, I've never worked with like colors or makeup or anything like that. I didn't know I could do it ever, but I just got this job offer. I was working as a translator, but this industry was so demanding as we get more foreign tourists in Korea. The company that was giving me the translating gigs for this like sessions and makeup sessions offered me this job. I was like, oh my god, things are getting manifested. I was thinking about opening my own business as well, but I was just kind of like chicken shit for that. And then now I'm going to use different palettes. Venus XL from Lime Crime. Yeah, I'm going to use this like a very coral vivid color. Yeah, I felt so grateful for her giving me a job. It felt like things are happening for me during my adjustment period, like learning and all that. I got frustrated and had a hard time navigating also with the staff member, but everything went really great. Dealing with the clients is also great because they are here mostly for like travel. They're having so much fun, and I'm having fun with them during the session. It's a bit physically demanding because I have to talk constantly, and then my eyes get a little tired because I gotta see different colors. But oh my god, I'm gonna take this off now. Ta-da! This is what I'm talking about. I'm super happy that I could work with like colors and like discussing makeup and different hair colors. I love it. I just love it, love it, love it. I'm really happy and grateful. Let me know if you are in Korea and then you want to get your personal color analyzed. I got you. But yeah, this is very springy and summery. I'm gonna draw a little bit of black eyeline, just thin line, because I'm going to apply eyelashes. I'm gonna do my lashes and be back because I can't talk while doing this. Now I'm going to just conceal my skin, applying this right under the lashes. I'm applying the same colors under my eyes as well. So first yellow, just whip that. Sounds like June. I'm going back to the lavender color. I'm gonna apply the red one at the end, only at the outer corner. And then we move on to the skin. I'm gonna use Stila color corrector. I'm mixing this peach and dark orange one. And then a little bit of the green one under my nose because they're always so red under here. Not a lot though. That's important. Not a lot of product, because then the makeup will get like separate, like I said. Very thin layer. I think I'm going to underpaint because I love that. So Sephora doesn't exist in Korea anymore. I think they just gave up. They're like, we cannot beat the Korean skincare and Korean makeup to these local people, targeting these local people. So Sephora got in like really big sale before they closed. That's when I bought these 3 Natasha Denona concealers at half price. I know it's a pricey one, but got it at half price. So the color that I'm using for my under eye and so on for brightening is YP5. I don't use a lot, so just small dot. And then I'm gonna use that Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury a little bit. I'm also going to add that a little bit. You cannot even see really. I'm going to apply that all over my face before I actually spread the concealer and Wonder Glow. The setting spray is very hydrating, but if you don't like fragrance, it's not for you because it has quite strong scent. I don't know why they did that. I've been using Beauty Blender just dry. I quite like it. At first I found it a little bit weird and like, can I really do that? But I think it absorbed the product less. So for contouring, I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury bronzing cream. I'm gonna go a little harsh because we're doing underpainting anyway. here, now I want my beauty blender wet when I am applying foundation on the top of this, because I feel like with that water, the wetness kind of like helps with the blending. Since this is like a full makeup for my video, I'm going to use like 3 pumps of foundation and then that Wonder Glow. Oh, look at that, it's like a frog. And then I'll just buff it in and go over the contour right here as well, and concealer. This way I don't have to use a whole lot of foundation and looks very natural. I love underpainting. I've been using some Korean product with eyebrows. Actually, I quite like it. And I think it was only like $6 and it's on sale, so I've been caring really less about eyebrows. I don't spend much time on them anymore. Just make them really like super natural and light. I don't do like bushy or like super duper put together eyebrows look. I don't really do that anymore. I'm just kind of feeling tired and lazy, and also I like them kind of natural than like super put together. One thing I've started doing though, it's a brow gel. I haven't really used brow gel. I used to just use hair gel and just like make them really like angry and hyped. But I've been using this Lily by Red brow gel. I mean, the color matching is just like on point with the pencil. And the bronzer that I always use is the Say Sun Melt cream bronzer in medium. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too heavy on it. Like here on the tip of the nose. I think it's so cute. A little bit up here. Here's. Gotta set under the eyes. Going to use Charlotte Tilbury for that. Charlotte Tilbury. Before I set it, make sure there's no crease. I'm using this Makeup Forever puff. And normally I use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Cherry Blossom loose powder on the top of that, but I want this look to be a little more like fairy tale-y. I'm going to use this Celestial Light, which is like a highlighting loose powder from Laura Mercier. This one is so pretty. If you want to look like just your face is beaming, this is just to go. And even on my forehead. Love this powder. For my blush, I'm just going to use the good old OG powder blush, NARS Orgasm, and Laguna bronzer, which you can get from this package, both. Oh boy, I'm adding more bronzer here. And then blush, blush. Do I want freckles? Maybe a little bit. Let me try it. Never done freckle before, but let me try it. Oh, this is kind of cute. I've never done freckle before. So this is still a Stay All Day waterproof brow color, but it's really bad. Like it barely show any color on my eyebrows, so I haven't used it, but I feel like it's perfect for freckle. Cute. What a turn. Okay, I'm going to do white eyeliner. This is from Wet n Wild. And then I'm going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes. Dang it, I always touch my skin. And for the lips, I'm going to use this MAC lipstick Pure Zen. I know it's discontinued, so the most similar color would be Japanese Maple. I'm almost out of these. Like, look at this. But I'm going to dug it. And just going to keep using it because I love this color. I don't know why MAC keep discontinuing the best colors they ever had. Anyway, this is like a peachy nude color, which goes very well with this eye makeup, I think, because it's like pastel and very springy. On the top of that, I'm going to use this Myth lipstick. I know this is out there still. This is finished look. I'm just going to spray some setting spray. Yeah, this Top Secret setting spray from Wesso. And I'm going to let my hair go. Oop. I have this big ass roller on the top of my head. Oh boy. I already curl my hair a little bit. I didn't know how this will turn out, but I think it turned out pretty great. Like I said, you don't have to use the same exact products as mine. If you have a lot of eyeshadow palette, I'm pretty sure you have those colors that you don't really reach out to because they're too vivid or they're too dark or they're too whatever. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you like this look, and I'll see you soon when I'm not so busy. Bye.